Only cash. Cash only. Cash only. Right, I'm now going to continue shopping in İçmeler, and I'm going to go and look for some shoes next door at the other Best Bargain Buys. And it is very, very sunny. You've got Best Bargain Buys bag shop right there.
Oh, my man.
Inside.
Here.
Hello, mate. All right. Oh, you all right there, mate?
Watching you so much. We're the missus there.
Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate that.
Well, the other reason why we're here. We come here all the time now.
Oh, I'm glad I've got you on this video.
Unbelievable.
Oh, nice one, mate. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Yeah, cheers. Have a good holiday, mate. See you later. That's always nice, isn't it? Always love that when you meet people who are here because they watch these videos on YouTube. So that's the bag shop next door, where now all of the bags are a tenner, not just the ones that were a tenner before. The ones that were 25, 20, 15 are all now a tenner as well. That's in the bag shop. Just after that, you've got the normal Best Bargain Buys, where there's still some sales in there as well. And then after that, we've got Best Bargain Buys trainers. Let's go and check out the trainers next door. If you are interested in trainers out here in İçmeler, don't forget to keep sharing and subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube. Thomas? Alright. Right, let's go inside. Johnny, mate.
Oh, yeah.
And let's go looking for some bargains in the shoe shop at Best Bargain Buys. How much are these ones, mate? 15? Yeah. Astros. Astro. Any boots? Boots, oh, very good. 15 each or 2 for 25. And when you walk in again, most things have the prices on. Like here. What you eating? Again, prices are on things here as well. So you can come in if they are extremely busy. You've got the prices there anyway before you start to haggle. So usually I just go to a certain section over this part of the shop. You all know the trainers I get by now, you've seen live after live. And if you haven't seen and you're new to YouTube or Facebook, share the post and don't forget to follow us. Subscribe on YouTube, Dad Loves Food. So these look prices, 28, 28, 28. Further down, 15 each on the Sambas, 2 for 25. Over this side, the ones I usually get, 20, 20, 20. The prices are on them. Oh, now you've got 2 for 35.
2 for 35.
Cheap, mate.
Yes.
So all the trainers I got this summer, 20, 20, 20, 20.
Yes, now on sale.
Where's all my extra fivers back? Where's all the fivers back?
You can get extra one now.
I've got them. Thank you very much.
Just 4 pieces 70.
Oh, that's a bargain. Bargain, mate.
Bargain Buys.
Let's keep going. So there's a men's. Gone past the other side where everything's priced up a little bit cheaper. You got the better quality ones which are higher in price over on this side. But don't forget, when you go somewhere, just because some things are higher price in some shops doesn't mean it's a better quality automatically. You get loads of different qualities, but something that they charge here, £20, like the ones that I'm wearing, which are over here, these same ones in other shops start off on like £20, start off on £40, £50 before they eventually, they might go down to 25 or even 20, like these already sell them for. Isn't that right, mate?
Yes, right. And top quality dunk. Just it was 20, now 2 for 35. Or we have some up there, £50.
Then all the kids over this side, 3 for 25, 10 each. What about kids 270s?
From £10, 3 for 25.
3 for 25, perfect. So if Oscars are 36, is that still kids?
Size 3 adults.
3 adults, where are them? Where are them ones?
They're all, we have 270s, 720s.
So do you not have black and black?
We have, you want a full black?
Full black?
Yep. In 270.
Oh then?
Yep. We have also full black.
Full black. So I want 2 full black.
Yep.
How much are these? How much are these ones?
You don't need to ask. Look.
Yeah, but I'm asking because you're here right now. So 20 each?
Yes.
No deals, no offers?
3 for 60. 2 full black, size 3 for Oscar.
Yeah, 2 full black,
yeah,
and 1 with white. Just a little bit, the white tip there.
Okay.
Please.
Sorry. Sorry, love.
You okay?
Let's keep shopping. So let us know if there's anything you want to see. Put it in the comments on YouTube.
2 for 25 on sale now.
A z tego nie ma czy 8?
Cash. Only cash. Cash only. Cash only.
3 for 20 this file. Anyone.
Yeah.
Star size 3 up to size 11. Like full size, ladies and men.
What about Crocs?
Just a tenner.
£10.
Yeah.
Now let me show you where we are so you don't get lost when you're trying to find it. Go outside. You got the pharmacy just next door, the exchange office on the corner.
And it's mine.
Hello mate, you alright? Then you've got YOLO restaurant right there where a full English breakfast is £5. This will take you down to the Dolphins. All the way down the bottom is the Dolphins. Masala, Indian and Chinese just there as well. Simon's Diamonds just there on the left as well. And then, just get your on. Just so you know where we are.
Change office.
Change office right here. Sweet. Hello mate, you alright?
Hiya.
You alright?
I'm Kim here for Best Bargain Buys.
Oh, thank you very much. You alright getting up there? Do you want a hand or out?
Okay,
You can always link me. Thank you very much mate, appreciate that.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
It's been marvellous, but
You came over. Oh, nice one, nice to meet you both.
same to you.
Cheers, see you later.
Family, take care.
Thank you. Look, it's nice. I love all the well wishes from people. I love seeing all our like YouTube subscribers out here, Facebook followers out here, TikTok followers. If you're not on one and you're on the other, make sure you do go and follow, subscribe to YouTube, go and follow Dad Loves Food on TikTok, Dad Loves Food on Facebook, and also the George Pub and Grill. You know, I know it's a few, but we've now also got WhatsApp as well, which I've put them details on Facebook. I'm also going to put them here on YouTube as well, our WhatsApp number, so you can add us on WhatsApp, the WhatsApp channel Dad Loves Food, and then we'll also send you a message when we're going to do important lives. Don't walk in the wrong shop, don't pay over the odds, and make sure that you visit Best Bargain Buys in İçmeler, and that's the shoe shop. So just so you know, the Dolmuş, the bus here with the orange stripe on, goes from Marmaris to İçmeler, İçmeler to Marmaris, and it costs 30 lira, which is less than £1, less than 80 pence-ish. And it'll drop you off right outside Best Bargain Buys. And also you don't need to be at a bus stop, you can just stand right here. And when you see the bus coming from this way, just put your arm out and the bus will stop. And that's how you get the Dolmuş. Maybe this one, Rochelle. 25 with shipping. Gosh! How much?
25 including shipping.
Rochelle. 25 with shipping. How much?
25 including shipping.
Oh, this one? 25 with shipping. Including shipping. How much?
25.
You know how much.